Hello, in this video I'll show you how to answer question 5 of the Specimen 2017-9626 Information Technology paper. Now question 5 I will record in several parts because it's a big question and I want you to be able to digest and understand each section at a time. So here we go. Part 1. IST wants a booking system for their staff to manage the booking of lessons with their instructors. IST wants all customers' and instructors' data to be stored in a database. The database should be named ski_bookings_ followed by your center number and candidate number. So let's do that first. So in the folder that I'm working in, which is this one here, I'm going to right click, new Microsoft Access Database, and I'm going to rename it from here. Okay, and I'm going to call it Ski Bookings _QA. I'm going to call it 1 2 3 4. Oh, sorry, 1 2 3 _ 4 5 6 7. Okay. Again, I have changed the center number to remain anonymous, keep our school anonymous from the rest of the world, because this will be published on YouTube for people to see. I'm going to double click on that now. Okay, and any second now I get a window like this. I'm going to maximize it. I'm going to click on enable content. Back to the question. The question says, import the files customer details.csv and instructor details.csv into suitable software to create the ski lessons booking system. Okay, CSV stands for comma separated values, those of you who may have forgotten. So I'm going to go to external data, select text file, go to browse, go to the folder I'm working in, which is this one here. Okay, there is customer details, and click on open. Never click on the bottom one, always click on the top one, press OK. Okay, it's delimited. Earlier I checked my data as the question asked me to. Okay, it's comma separated, I can see the commas. I click on next. The first row contains field names, so I tick the box. Again, this is because I checked it earlier. Click on next. Okay, this is text, I will leave it as text. This is also text, I will leave it as text. This is integer, so I will leave it as integer. This is text. Just scroll across quickly to see if there are any of the fields. There aren't. Okay, click on next. None of these can be a primary key because they could repeat. For example, somebody might have the name Johan or Steffi or Maurice, okay, and equally with the surname as well. Therefore, I'm going to let access add my primary key. However, later on I'm going to change the name of the field name to customer ID. Click on next. Okay, and I'm going to call it TBL _ customer details. Click on finish. If you have imported your data incorrectly, at this stage on this particular screen it will show you have import errors. I don't have any import errors, therefore I'll click on close. I don't need to save the import steps. Click on close and the window appears over here on the left hand side. Right click on it, go to design view, and as I said to you earlier, I'm going to change ID to customer _ID. Okay, this is because I've already checked my data, and in my next table I also have to let access add a primary key, and therefore I can't have two IDs with the same name. I could do, but I don't want to. I want to make it look professional. So customer ID, click on the small x, say yes, and then I'm going to import the next table. So I'm going to go to external data, text file. Never click on these bottom ones, always leave it as import. Click on browse. Next one is instructor details. Click on open, click on OK, click on next. First row contains field names. Click on next. Okay, instructor name, instructor level, lesson price, select currency, lesson price, select currency. Okay, I don't think there's anything else there. Click on next. Okay, again, let access add my primary key because none of these could be a unique identifier. Click on next. Again, I'm going to say TBL underscore instructor details. Click on finish. No errors. Click on close. I'm going to right click on it, design view. I'm going to change this one to instructor underscore ID. This is currency. I need to check the exam paper to see what currency they would like me to use. From reading the question very quickly just now, I can't see any particular currency they would like. Therefore, I'm going to go to format at the bottom and I'm going to just select currency. Do the same for price as well. Format, currency. Again, if they ask for euros, select euros, okay? But it's either euros or pounds. Click on the small x, say yes. Let's have a look at the data. How does it look? That looks like that. That looks like that. Brilliant. Right click on these, close. Right click on that, close. Next question. It says create appropriate tables. Now because we're making a booking system, that indicates to me that I need to create another table called bookings. This will have extra field names, it'll have data types I need to establish, and then I will go on to create relationships between the three tables. For example, with my bookings table, I will have one customer can have many bookings. That will be a one-to-many relationship. A one instructor can have many bookings. That will be another one-to-many relationship. This should tell you that inside my new table, which I'm about to create, I should have the customer ID and the instructor ID. This is why I did not call them ID on its own earlier. So, here we go. I'm going to go to create and I'm going to go to table design. The first field I need is bookings underscore ID. This is going to be auto number. Then I go to the next one. Okay, then I will add the customer ID underscore ID. This time this is going to be a number because I can't have two auto numbers. And then I will add instructor ID exactly how it's spelled in the table before. Again, select number. Okay, make bookings ID a primary key. Then I will write down booking date. This will allow them to book on a particular date. Okay, so I'm going to select that with date and time. And next one we'll call it is booking underscore time. So what time the lesson is booked. Okay, booking time, and this is going to be text. I'm going to click on the small x. I'm going to say save. I'm going to call this TBL underscore bookings. Like so. Press OK. And I will show you the next part of how to do the next part of this question in video number 2. Thank you for listening.